All right, we are here at the Coronado Springs and we are checking out the restaurant Toledo, which is a steak and tapas bar restaurant. Never been. It's here at the Coronado Springs Resort. This resort is one that we don't frequent because it's not on any... What are you smelling?
Wow.
Smells good?
Those smell amazing.
Oh, I smell them.
I can't actually smell. I'm not tall enough.
Daddy will have to pick you up.
I'll pull it down.
Or yeah, it's almost like a...
Stand on the stuff, dude.
Smell it? Yeah, so this, it does smell similar. This resort is not on any transportation. So it's not a monorail resort, it's not a Skyliner resort, there's no boat that comes here, only buses. So it's one of those resorts where unless you have a dining reservation, you can't really, you can't come in. Unless you take a bus over from a park, which you can do that. So yeah, we're gonna go check this restaurant out, check out the resort. We've been here before, but it's been a while since we've been here. It's very pretty. Very pretty. So here is like the grand lobby area. You come in on the upper level, and then there's like a sitting level down below. Beautiful chandelier. Yeah, it's pretty, huh? Very pretty. Here's the lobby area. Let's see if we can find a pinboard. They have a nice bar along this back wall back here with all these like mosaic mural style paintings. But they also have a coffee here in the morning that is Sean's favorite. These are specialty cocktails. So this is like the lounge area. But in the morning they have coffees. A cortada? Is it a
cafe bonbon?
Espresso and sweet condensed milk? Yeah, that's it.
Bon.
So there's a covered walkway that goes from the tower over into the older section of Coronado. You can see it's all enclosed, so it's air conditioned. And Coronado is a very big resort. There's a lot of walking in between buildings if you are not staying in the tower. This is the walkway. And there is a restaurant out there over the bridge on the water. I think it's called Three Bridges. And we have eaten there once before also. Oh, so this is the old lobby. This is where you used to check in before the tower was built. And now it's like a sitting area. And then Panchito's is the shop that's here at Coronado. But yeah, you used to come in here. This was the main entrance. You'd come in here where the fountain is, and then all along this wall was where you would check in. The coins, yeah, they have them as a hidden Mickey. See the coins as a hidden Mickey, Jameson? All right, we have a pinboard. All right, so we were able to trade for a couple of pins today with her. We did, we got lucky. I ended up getting this one right here, which I need. And then I also got an orange bird.
I know,
So
this one was like a blindfolded one.
Yeah, that was pin for pin.
Pin for pin.
All right, we are one of the first to be sat. The restaurant opens at 5 and our reservation was at 5:10 and we got right in. And we have a beautiful view of Star Wars Land right there and Tower of Terror. There's Star Wars right there. And the Hollywood Tower, wherever that is, we're right over there. And there's the Swan Reserve. And this is the dining room. They have 2 olive trees. One over here and one behind us. It's very pretty in here, yeah? Yeah, she said they were.
Wow.
Yeah, that's cool. All right, so here is the menu. Right here. We're gonna look through it and see what we want. All right, Jameson got his meal first, and it's grilled shrimp, potatoes, and mac and cheese, and he says it's delicious. What do you give it? 5 out of 5?
Yay!
We're still waiting for our tapas.
Con tomate.
So this is almost like a bruschetta. So this is the first thing that came out. We'll try it up. See how it is. It looks good. This is the cold entree. Good?
They're a bit bruschetta.
Yeah. All right, the next selection is a chorizo, which is right there, and this is a hot selection on toasts. But this is delicious. All right, our last dish that we ordered was the shrimp with more bread. The chorizo was very good. 2 hot dishes and a cold dish. All right, dessert time. I got an espresso martini. Sean already had his drink. What did you get for your drink?
It's like a paloma.
Yeah, it was very good though. I don't think we filmed it. But this is the espresso martini, and we did order a couple of desserts as well. Because we filled up on the tapas.
3 tapas.
Yeah, we had 3 tapas and it was plenty filling
And I
as a
only
meal.
had mac and cheese and I'm already filled up.
Yup. All right, so here are our desserts. This one is like a chocolate orange, like a chocolate
So
orange
creme
tart,
brulee.
like a creme brulee. And then this one is like a flavor candy bar, which goes from sweet to tart, she said. There's 5 different flavors in the candy bar. So Jameson wants to dig in. Go ahead, try something.
Not worried
Go
about
ahead. Ooh, that looks good. What do you think?
Good. What? Coffee cake.
That's a coffee one? What is that one? Chocolate?
It's like the same thing.
Same thing, Tyler?
What about berry? This has gotta taste different. It does. Very good.
You like that one? That one's lemon, I think. Trying the
Lemon cake?
Yep.
Ooh. Now
And then that one is a cheesecake. All right, now which one is your favorite? You don't like the cheesecake? No. Okay, which is your
I
favorite?
kind of like the berry.
The berry one is his favorite.
The berry and the lemon.
So this is the Dahlia Lounge. We're gonna go I think you can go right outside on the patio. You wanna look out on the patio? Oh, pull. Here, go ahead. We'll just look outside here. Oh, it's nice out here. Nice little sitting area. Got a nice view.
Heights.
You're scared of heights?
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's Blizzard Beach. Is that Typhoon or Blizzard? I think that's Blizzard right there. Nice little sitting area out here. This is the convention center here at Coronado. There's look, Expedition Everest is right there. Yeah, right there.
Near everything.
Yeah.
Oh, the birds! Look at the birds.
Yeah, we're right up near the birds. You can see a lot of everything up here. It's very pretty. So overall, what was your thoughts on Toledo tonight?
The food.
Just tapas was I mean, can't give it 10 because
Yeah. The tapas were excellent. Everything we got was excellent. The dessert was excellent. The drinks were excellent. Again, another
much
top.
of the chocolate dessert.
Jameson ate most of it.
I have no idea about my meal because I ate that mac and cheese.
We wanted to go that way
What?
because that's the walkway over to where the pool area is. Unless we want to walk all this way around.
That's the pool.
Yeah, the mac and cheese is basically like a snack.
Yup.
And what it did is basically just drunk bigger in my stomach, what made me full. I have no idea. But it just made me full.
It was very good. I would definitely rank it right up there.
Yay!
I don't know. I think it's a must try if you're here at Coronado Springs. All right, so we're outside walking our dinner off. It's kind of it's 10 after 6. Give you guys the view. They have this nice outdoor area with some games, nice little sitting area, walkway. We're heading over to the pool and playground area. Yeah, we're walking off of our dinner because even though we just had 3 plates of tapas, it was very filling because there's a lot of bread. They serve bread with every plate, so. It's very pretty here. I've always liked Coronado Springs, but like I said, it's a very big resort and it's hard to get to unless you're staying here or unless you have a vehicle and a dining reservation. So keep that in mind. But like I was mentioning earlier in the video, oh, there's some bunny rabbits, or a bunny rabbit. There's a bunny, a Disney bunny. Like I was mentioning earlier, there is Three Bridges restaurant right in the center. There's a bridge that goes to the restaurant on both sides. Anyhow, like I was saying, we're heading over the bridge here to head out to the pool area. Now, the pool area here at Coronado Springs is one of my favorite pools besides the beach club pool. This is the pool that has the pyramid theming. Yeah, it's like a big pyramid. But I love like the Spanish, Mexican kind of inspired theming here. It's just very pretty.
Yeah, so we found 2 reptiles today. A turtle, and...
A rabbit's not a reptile.
Well...
2 animals. All right, so here's the dig site. Right here. We might be able to show you guys what it looks like. Can we just hop in? I think we can. No keypad to get in. So this is, here's the pool area. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I really do, Mom. Remember the arcade?
Yep, there's an arcade over there.
Pool bar.
Yep, pool bar.
The back
So
thing.
there's the water slide over there that comes out of the temple or the pyramid. But I've always thought this was a really pretty pool for this resort. And there's the pool bar, and there's a playground and restrooms over on the back side.
There's a playground?
Yeah.
Ooh, I didn't want to play.
And there's a hot tub back here, I believe.
I can't want to play on the ground.
Yep, there's a hot tub. Oh, it is closed.
Yeah, they have like 3. Oh, here she is.
There's the pool bar. And there's a volleyball court over here. It is busy here right now. It is 6:15, so everybody's kind of back from the parks, cooling off at the pool. And then we are walking up to where the restaurant is. So there's the other restaurant. There's a nice little walking trail, walking path. walking along the walkway here, and there's another little bar area up here just outside of where the old lobby used to be. This is, I don't know what the name of this little bar is, but it's nice because it's right along the water and there's some covered seating out here. Just very festive with all the lights. Such a pretty resort. This is called Laguna Bar. Yeah. All right, so we are just making a loop and walking off our dinner. You can really see the dig site from here where the pool is. Right straight ahead. Right there. And right up there is where the restaurant that we just ate was at. Toledo's Steak and Tapas Bar, right on the top 16th floor of the resort. So that is it. Nice little tour of Coronado Springs area, resort area. Definitely a nice area if you're looking for some place to stay that is kind of off the beaten path but still on Disney property. All right, so once we come out the main entrance, this is the covered drop-off area where you get dropped off or you can come in and check in. The bus stop to get the buses is right down this walkway. You might be able to see them down in here because the bus stop is your only form of, or the buses are your only form of transportation from this resort. So they are right down here in this area, right down on the bottom section of the lobby entrance. Right there.
See, I told you. And he's
So
like,
this is where the bus stops are.
Wall.
Right here.
And then,
So you can go to any of the parks, Disney Springs,
Dad,
and Sean is doing his classic hit a pole.
no, don't worry, guys.
This is what I deal with
don't
on
worry,
a daily
guys.
basis.
Don't worry, guys. That is just faking, okay?
Yep.
That's always faking. That hits the pole for the.
All right. Hope you guys have a great rest of your night. We will see you in the next video.
And
Take
please-
care and
please-
like and subscribe.
Please also comment. Please stop Dad faking.
Yeah. Comment, Sean, stop faking banging into poles.